Okay. So next question is minimize f is equal to sigma m 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and 13. Okay. So we can see that the number of min terms specified here is more than 8. That is, you can see min term 9, 10, 12, 13, and 8 also. Okay, so this is a 4 variable K-map because 2 raised to 4, 16 cells will be there. Hence, you have it's a 4 variable K-map. So I am representing the 4 variables as A, B, and C, D. So the possible values of AB are 0, 0, 0, 1, and you have to keep in mind it is not 1, 0, but 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, CD also it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Now inside each grid, each cell we can represent the corresponding minterm value. So 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, it is 1. This is 0, 0, 1, 1, it is 3. It is 0, 0, 1, 0, it is 2. Okay, so it is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Similarly, this is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, it is 4. 0, 1, 0, 1, it is 5. 0, 1, 1, 1, it is 7. 0, 1, 1, 0, it is 6. So it is 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now this is 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0 is 12. So this is a cell for 12. Okay. And this is 1, 1, 0, 1, it is 13. This is 1, 1, 1, 1, it is 15. And 1, 1, 1, 0, it is 14. Similarly, this is 1000, it is 8, 1001, 9, 1011, 11, and 1010, it is 10. Okay, so that is how the grid is arranged. This is a 16 cell K-map, that is, you'll be having values from min term 0 to 15. So this is how the grid is arranged. You cannot change it, you cannot alter it. Okay, it should be like this. And you're going to plot value 1 for this min terms. So for 0, you will be plotting 1 value. 1, it is 1. 2, you are plotting the value 1. 3, it is 1. 5, it is 1. 7, you are plotting it as 1. 8, you are plotting it as 1. 9, it is 1. 10, it is 1. 12, it is 1. And 13, you plot as 1. So that is how you are plotting the value of 1 in the K-map. And now the next procedure is you have to group it. And I told you the wrap around condition is possible. Hence, you can group this 4 ones in each counter of the K-map into single quad group. So these are grouped. Okay. You're grouping this 4 ones. Since the wraparound is possible, the corner ones will be grouped as a single group. This one, similarly this one, and this one can be grouped as a single quad. So what is the representation for that quad? The value of A is changing. It is 0 to 1. A cannot be taken, but B remains same. So B is 0 since it's B bar. B bar. What about C and D value? C changed to 1 here, so C cannot be taken. D is 0. So it is B bar, D bar. This B bar, D bar. This is B bar, D bar. Okay. And remaining ones are, these 4 ones can be grouped as a quad. This becomes a next quad. Hence, it can be, what is the representation for that quad? It is A bar, D. So it is A bar, D. Yes. Now these 3 ones are there. These 3 ones can be paired with this one to make it as a quad. So this becomes a quad. Okay. And what is the representation for that quad? It is A C bar. So it is A C bar. So this is the minimized expression for this standard canonical SOP. This is a minimized SOP. Okay. Now moving to next question. Yes, this is a important question. Okay, that is the question given is minimize F is equal to sigma M 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 13, 14, and 15. So you have plotted the, it is also a 4 variable K map. So you have plotted the value of 3, 1, 4 is 1, 5, 1, 7 as 1, 9 as 1, 13 as 1, 14 as 1, and 15 as 1. Okay, so when you see this, you can see 4 ones obtained here. So we have a tendency of grouping as a group to higher values. So we may group it as a group of quad here. So what happens when you group as it is a group of quad, this four group ones will be grouped. Okay, now in order to group this one, you will be grouping with this one to make it as a pair. So this will be grouped. Again, this remaining one will be paired with this one to make it as a group. And this one may be paired with this one to make it another group. And this one may be paired with this one to make it next group. So in total, in the expression, you may be having 5 groups, 1 quad and 4 pairs, isn't it? 5 groups will be there. Now check what happens when you group like that. When you paired this one with this one, and this one with this one, this one with this one, and this one with this one, all the middlemost ones are grouped, already grouped. This one is grouped with this one is grouped with this one is grouped with this one, and this one is grouped with this one, which means that the quad is not necessary there, because when you put a quad there, that is a repetition of the grouping, which is already grouped once. Already groups once are again grouped by the squad, which is not required. Hence, so what happens when this squad is not allowed? When the squad is not allowed, your expression will be having only 4 pairs. So which is good? An expression having 5 terms or 4 terms is good. Which is the minimized one? 4 terms is the minimized one. Hence, in this question, even though grouping to the higher value is a better one, here in this case we will be avoiding quad, because when we use quad, what we are getting is not a minimized one. What we are getting is a expression with 5 terms. When you avoid this quad, you can get an expression with only 4 terms. Okay, and when we analyze the rules, we have seen that we have to make groups as least as possible, isn't it? So when the squad is not allowed, what we are getting is only 4 groups. We are keeping it as least as possible. Okay, so in this question, keep in mind the quad is a redundant one. It's a repetition of the already grouped ones. Hence, quad is not required. Okay, that is this quad is not required. Quad is not required. That is, this quad values ones are already got grouped. So the expression for this pair is, it is a bar b c bar, isn't it? So it is a bar b c bar. It is a bar b c bar. And what about this group? It is a c bar d. A, C bar, D. What about this group? It is A, B, C. It is A, B, C. And what about this group? It is A bar, C, D. A bar, C, D. That is the minimized expression. Okay. Now moving to next question. Yes. In this question, we are going to see how a standard canonical POS. So far, we have been seeing standard canonical SOP. Now, what we are going to see is standard canonical POS question can be minimized using KMAP. Okay, so we know that how we are getting a standard POS expression from the truth table. We will be taking the max terms that gives you the value as 0, isn't it? So these are the max terms. Max terms 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 14 were the max terms that give you 0 for the circuit. So when you are plotting on the K map, this is a 4 variable K map. So hence we require A, B and C, D. So instead of grouping, instead of plotting 1, what you will be plotted and grouped will be the value of 0. 0 will be plotted. So for the max term 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 14, you'll be plotting 0 in the K map, and those zeros will be grouped. Okay, just opposite of SOP. In SOP, we were plotting ones, and ones will be grouped. In the case of POS, what we are plotting is 0 and zeros will be grouped. The grouping rule is same. There is no difference in the grouping, that is adjacent cells will be grouped with the powers of 2. Okay, and now diagonal grouping and overlapping is possible, as well as wraparound is also possible. So when we plot this question on the K map, we found out that these two cells contains zeros. So 8 zeros can be grouped, and this becomes a quad. You can group as this 8 zeros, and this 8 zeros can be grouped as a quad. Okay, so what is the representation for this quad? This AB value got reduced. You cannot, this AB value is not same for this 8 zeros. So we are checking CD values. C remains the same, but D changes. And you know that C value is 0. In SOP, when the C value is 0, it is C bar. But in the case of POS, if the C value is 0, it is C, not C bar. Hence, represent as C. Okay, so that group representation is over. So next is we are going to group this zeros. Okay, so for this group, before writing representation of this group, what you have to do is you have to put a dot sign, because it is a POS, minimized POS, product of sum. So each term will be sum. In between, it will be product. Okay, so what is the representation of this group? We have a chance of grouping as a grouping of pair, but just check for whether you can group it as a higher pair, higher group. Yes, it is possible, because we can see that these two columns are adjacent. We know that these two columns are adjacent. So you can see a 0 and 0 here also. So these 0, 0 can be paired with this 0, 0 and make it as a quad. Okay, so what you're getting is a quad. So one octet and one quad. That is the minimized expression for this POS question. What is expression for this quad? The A value is changing, so you cannot take A. B value remains the same. So it is B is 1, hence it is B bar. So B bar. Next, on the topmost portion, B bar. Now here it is 0, 1, it is changing. 0, 0. So it is constant. So it is D. So it is B bar plus D. Okay, that is the representation of this group, B bar plus D. I hope this is clear. Okay, so in the next video, we will see how don't cares are taken. Okay, we will see how don't cares are taken. So we will see the next video.